What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You joined me on the inside of the Vauxhall Corsa for a very quick tutorial on something that I probably should have mentioned on the fuse box video but never got round to it. So today I'm going to show you guys where the OBD port is for the Vauxhall Corsa C. That's the port you use to stick your little code reader into. So if you've got a fault with the car, it's not running right, or you've got an engine light and you need to check what that is, you can plug a code reader into this port and check the code to find out what the fault is. So you're not going around fixing things that don't need fixing. Now, you can get these code readers offline. You can get them as cheap as a tenner now, but I would recommend spending about 20-30 quid and getting a half decent one if you're going to buy one. Right, so still in the driver's seat. You're literally going to look into your centre console. Something you might have even never noticed this. Pull your gear stick back into like fourth so it's out of the way. And go where your dials are for your heat control and that, or if it's a newer one, it's like silver around here, but it looks the same anyway. And go right below it. And you can see, so the flap's already missing on mine, but there should be a little plastic flap here with a little tab on it to undo. And that is your OBD port. So once you get your code reader, it'll have like a lead connected to it. You just literally plug it straight into that. And then any fault codes on the car will come up on the screen. They're really useful. Say you've got a miss, could be a coil pack, or it could be some spark plugs, or it could be an air mass sensor, or it could be a bad crank or a bad cam sensor. And you could spend forever going through all these things and spending money changing them when you don't need to. So use your code reader, find out where the codes, find out what the codes are for, and change just the part that's broke. Another future video is the light for the mileage. The light, the backlight that illuminates the screen that shows you the miles, doesn't work on this. I think you've got to pull the dash out, so that'll be an interesting video for the future of the Corsa. OBD port is located just at the bottom of the centre console, just above where you sort of cigarette lighter. Right guys, I hope you found this video useful. A quick tutorial from One Life Cars today. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sam Clark. This is One Life Cars, where we do car tutorials. You can request your own tutorial. You can let me know in the comments below or on any video. If you enjoyed this, found it useful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Just do it. Until next time guys, peace.